Hello my lovely family, it's your Ebo girl the Ototayo wey dey bring una ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbe small na gather your man yarn una the tori as e dey hot. Today news we wan talk about Delta State, Nigeria. No be small thing. As we dey talk now, everybody dey run enter scatter for there. Dem dey fear, dey run go hide. Why be say some Fulani jihadists they don come out with letter wey dem write go give Delta State governor say they wan come do wetin, bomb the whole Delta State. So now they don come out come warn the Delta State governor wey dem dey call Ifeanyi Okowa say if e no withdraw im hand from the ban on open grazing between 42 hours, they go do wetin come bomb Delta State, Asaba, Agbo, everywhere they go bomb them. So this letter na the Boko Haram come do wetin Sana join. They come go submit am on the 13th of June 2021. So tension now e dey for Delta State. Everybody dey run hide because of Fulani Boko Haram. They wan come do wetin attack Delta State. Say because na they get the Nigeria both Delta State, so they no go lie do wetin negotiate with anybody. They get the right to open grazing of their cattle. Nobody fit stop them. So now they dey tell the governor Ifeanyi Okowa say may immediately remove im hand from the ban on open grazing. Say if e no do am, they go experience several consequences when other states don experience, like Katsina, Oyo, Enugu, Kaduna, Borno and Benue State. Wetin dem don experience, they can go ask them. Na the same thing they go do wetin come do. Say because they need to do wetin respect the Fulani heritage. Na their inheritance to do wetin open grazing of cattle everywhere they go. Nobody get right to stop them. So now they come do wetin advise any Fulani, any Hausa, if you be police there, if you be political leader there, or anything wey you be for Delta State, say make you carry your bag, make you go, because their action dey come for Delta State. So now they don tell say make Deltans make dem dey prepare. They don come tell them say they wan do wetin come attack them, so make dem prepare themselves. So the state commissioner of police wey dem dey call Ari Mohammed Ali don talk say make people no fear. They don do wetin safeguard the whole place, make dem no fear any attack when they dey call. Their men dey everywhere. So Deltans people make dem dey prepare. Any attack when they come, make dem ready to stand. Boko Haram no fit come from north come Delta come fight. It can never be possible. That their kunu when they drink when they catch them, na for north till they catch them. Make dem no carry am come Delta State because e go tire them. Na they go tire, they go run. Come from north come Delta State wan come threaten people because of wetin they ban your cow. Cow wey una take dey destroy people farm, wey una take dey kill people. These people they get mind eh? So for their information, na north they take dey get power. Make dem no carry am go Delta. E go over there. So my people now say ma do wetin come let una know, Delta State people, wetin all this ekpeweri people don talk, because we know say dem no go fit do wetin do anything. So guys, our second news today, we wan talk about the Biafra and Oduduwa Republic when they don decide to come together to do merge force to train their operatives. Say make dem join together so that they go fit continue to do wetin protect their territory from the Fulani herdsmen when dey kill innocent people, bad things when dey happen for their territory, and other criminal elements when dey go on for their territory. So they come call am the United Trained Personnel. Na be the name wey they give am. They come talk say na the symbol of unity when e dey between the young generation for the two indigenous nations. So this statement na the media and publicity secretary na im make am know, when they call Emma Powerful. Na im talk am out say see wetin they don decide. Say why they dey agitate for all this breakup be say a lot of atrocity they don commit them between these two nations, the southeast and the southwest. but the government no do wetin, no dey talk anything concern am. The government dey fail to address am, so dem no fit do wetin, stay again. That is why dem dey agitate to break up from the country Nigeria. So the Biafra and Oduduwa volunteer force dey promise say dem go work together to make sure say peace dey their region, to protect their people from Fulani herdsmen and other things. So dem don come and come talk say dem wan let the Nigeria government and her security agency know say the Oduduwa and Biafra dem don get joint force wey go strengthen dem as one people. So dem don tell say dem need immediate stop to any killing wey dey happen, ongoing genocide wey dey happen. Dem need am to do wetin, come to an end. So my people, now say ma do wetin, come let una know. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.